Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the laptop for immediate sharing. Enable Wi-Fi and give the device a clear name so the recipient can find it. Once done, open your file manager and select the exact files or a folder you want to send. Be specific. Make sure to use the System Share menu. Right-click and pick Nearby Share on Windows or AirDrop on Mac OS, and set visibility to contacts or everyone, depending on speed versus privacy. Now focus on the connection. Ensure the recipient device is discoverable and has Bluetooth or Wi-Fi turned on. You must accept the incoming request. Once paired, choose transfer options, lower quality or compressed archives if speed matters, and start sending. You'll see a progress indicator. Watch for stalls. If transfer stalls, cancel and retry with smaller batches, or compress large folders into a single archive to reduce overhead and improve reliability. Complete the process by verifying the files arrived intact. Open one or two files and compare sizes. This confirms success. Once done, disable Discoverable mode to preserve security. If something goes wrong, first restart Wi-Fi and toggle the sharing feature. Often that clears stale connections. If issues persist, reinitiate pairing or split the transfer into smaller chunks. As a last resort, use a quick USB flash or a secure cloud link to finish the job and avoid delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.